Have you ever wondered how to capture the mesmerizing beauty of your garden in a photograph? The allure of nature, frozen in time, can be a joy to share with others. Today, we will delve into the art of garden photography and share some useful tips. Garden photography is not just about snapping pictures, it's about capturing the essence of nature. It's the delicate dance between light and shadow, the vibrant colors of blooming flowers, and the intricate details of a butterfly's wings. And with the right approach, you can bring all of this to life in your photos. The golden hours, just after sunrise and just before sunset, are the best times for garden photography. The light is softer, warmer, and casts long, dramatic shadows that can add depth and dimension to your photos. Natural light is your best friend. It illuminates the scene, highlights the details, and brings out the colors. But remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Overcast days can provide diffused light that softens shadows and reduces harsh contrasts, perfect for capturing the subtleties of your garden's palette. Composition is the backbone of a great photo. It's about arranging the elements in your frame in a way that guides the viewer's eye. Use the rule of thirds, lead lines, and framing to create a balanced and engaging image. Macro photography can reveal a whole new world within your garden. From the intricate patterns of a flower's petals to the delicate wings of an insect, it can provide an up-close and personal view of nature. Weather plays a significant role too. A garden after a rain shower, with droplets glistening on the leaves, can create a unique and dramatic scene. With these tips, you'll be able to capture the beauty of your garden in a way that reflects its true essence. Now that you have these tips, it's time to put them into action. Imagine the joy of capturing your garden's beauty, the satisfaction of that perfect shot. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening and photography tips. Happy gardening and photographing!